G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of 365life.com. I'll be your demonstrator, Andrew Lee. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about getting 3D models inside Dynamics 365. So why would I want to get 3D models inside Dynamics? Well, if you're familiar with the sales module, and in particular the products entity, you can have a list of products and you can associate essentially 2D images with these products. But that can only tell you so much. Let's just say we want to see the actual dimensions, you want to see some, you want to zoom into particular areas. How would you do that? You couldn't do that on a JPEG or a GIF image. So I thought I'd combine probably two of my passions. One is 3D modeling, the other one is dynamics, to see if I can come up with a nice little solution. And I'll just get straight into it. So I've created a product here. I've called it a Dell server. Next, I went on the internet. I went to 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com and found this nice little model, 3D model of a Dell server. So next what I'll do is I'll just paste the URL. I've just copied the URL and I'll paste it directly in here. So if I save that, so it should be saved now, and if next time someone goes to that particular product, they'll see in here on the right hand side that model will come up initially in 2D view, but if I actually click on that image like I do here, you need to give it a sec because it's rendering on your browser. Now I have a 3D view of that model, so I can rotate it, I can see the dimensions of it. This is pretty handy in a, let's just say a customer service scenario where the customer has asked me, oh, what sort of power adapter does it come with? Oh, I can say, well, it comes with one of these 3-pin adapters. It's got a removable power supply. It's got this many hard drives. I can even zoom in on some of the lettering on here and see what are all these little ports on the back. So actually very handy, I think. So let me walk you through how I've done this. So first of all, you need a model if you don't already have one on the 3D warehouse. So you can create one in using Google Sketchup. It's actually really quite simple to use. It's not heavyweight like CAD is. And then once you've created your model, you can upload it. You need to create an account on 3D warehouse and you upload it in here, then it's live in your gallery. I've got quite a number of models in here, so when you get a chance, please check out my models. I spend a lot of time on some of these ones. They're mainly architecture models, but anyway, once you've got your model uploaded in 3D warehouse, you can then start to use it in Dynamics, and this is all powered by JavaScript. So initially I've created a custom form. Here I've called it the 3D model form. I've also created a custom attribute. I've called it the Sketchup 3D model URL. And then I've created a web resource. Within that web resource, there's a JavaScript associated with it. This is what the JavaScript looks like. It's probably a little bit hard to see here. I'll just see if I can bump up the font size a little bit so you can see it. Okay. So it's not doing much. Basically, it's just going to the parent form, getting that URL. The only thing we're interested in is the everything after ID equals. So we basically just want the ID associated with this. Once we've done that, I've written out the embed code. This embed code has come straight from the 3D warehouse. And then that's it, basically. It basically just loads all the controls within Dynamics 365. So pretty simple. You can see another one that I've done here looks pretty good. Let's just say there's an oil painting. It's actually one of my dad's paintings. Let's have a look. Give it a second. Yep, look, I can, it's pretty surprising how much detail you can actually get from a 3D model here that you wouldn't normally get on just a 2D graphic. So there you have it, 3D models inside Dynamics 365. So I'll be posting up all of the source code and probably a solution file up on the 365life.com blog. It's LYF. And yeah, if you if you're interested in seeing more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if there's anything that you want to see in the coming weeks, let me know. I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. And yeah, look forward to speaking with you all soon. Thanks a lot. Catch you later, guys.